Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. If you remember, my YouTube short was about this baby and this. Remember? You remember? Well, I'm going to tell you about these two. Before I tell you, I want you to know about the free merchandise lady channel if you don't know. My channel is about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. Woohoo! Free merchandise lady! And look at this. Look again. You see that? This right here, you wouldn't believe it. This right here is an egg. Egg that I thought was going to be worth, woohoo! It's trying to slowly go down. Okay? This right here, I wish this was a real diamond, but it's not. This right here is actually worth more than this. Because guess what? It's no value in this. This right here, it no telling how much it's gonna go up. But they say the price is gonna start going down. How much down? How what slowly down? Because it's really just costing it gonna be like $20 a card if you keep on or something like that. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the free merchandise lady. I don't know. I think something got on my pants, my little jogging outfit. But look at that. Free merchandise lady. But look, free merchandise lady, don't forget about saving money, making money, and getting things for free. Coming up, I want to show you something where it don't no skill, don't cost you no money, just something fun you could do and make that extra money. Cause that the free merchandise lady want to help you. Coming up. All right, the free merchandise lady. Woohoo! I want to tell you about something great that I like. Now, I like to look at videos about pets and all that, just interesting things or just things to make you laugh. Check out this right here. It's called GG2U.org. Yeah, check it out. I mean, it's great. I mean, you sign up, it's simple, free to join. Hey, can't beat that. And you sign up and everything, and it got features to show you what I want to see the login part. Well, what I want to tell you is not just when you sign up that you watch videos. You getting paid to watch videos. No skills or anything like that. You can get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-cards. And they got several e-cards for you to choose from. But listen to this. It's like similar to the videos that you look at on YouTube, but you getting paid for it. You can't beat that. It's not a whole lot of money, but it's extra money could go in your pocket. Maybe it can help you with this egg or something else. But maybe the egg. Remember, the price is going down supposedly, but you can have that extra money for the egg. And look, PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-cards. Let's see. Let me get that off. And like I said, the e-cards are Amazon cards, GameStop, iTunes, you name it. The whole list, Target, Walmart. And are you from the United States? Are you from Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, other Euro countries, the and Brazil, China, India, Japan, Singapore, and other countries. Look at there. The things you could sign up. Sign up. You can't beat it. Now, now just instead of you just watching videos, now they got surveys now. Now, and then you can play games. If you're a game lover, look at that. You can play games, take surveys, and watch videos. All the things that don't cost but any big skills, don't cost you money. Just take your time, your spare time, and do that. This is the free merchandise, lady. And you know, this is a great. Check it out. The link is below where you can earn just extra money. You might want to go to the movies. You might, who knows, or just want to get something to eat. It's so expensive. You could do this right here. And that what a great way to get the extra money and your other money that you work hard for, you could save that. This is the easy money. You could be eating popcorn and looking at videos and laughing, or what, or saying what. You could do that. Free merchandise, lady. I'm about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. Free merchandise, lady. Link is below. Get started. Lady! Free merchandise, lady!